Hey y'all, y'all see the title. Let's get into it. Alright, so today I'll be making one of my smoothies that I love to make. My mom actually introduced me to this recipe. I got a half a frozen banana right here that I'm going to put a whole, not frozen, just regular banana in here. Add some oats to it. Oops. I think I could put a little bit more. Probably about a half a cup of oats. Some almond milk. I know I probably should be measuring, but you know, I like to sometimes eyeball it. Oh crap, my Roomba's going off right now. Hopefully you guys can't hear it and you guys can hear me. Let me make this quick. Let's make this quick. Adding some cinnamon. Just a nice little tinchy tinge, not too much. Cinnamon. Some vanilla extract. Some nutmeg. Now I think I have one in here, but I like to freshly grate it. Oh, okay. Some nutmeg. This is how it looks. You don't need much. Nutmeg is a nut, and I use my little grater. I love the smell of nutmeg. You just need a little bit. That's how it looks. Then I usually will put it in there. There was only a small piece of nutmeg in there, so I'll probably use that other small piece for when I make like cream of wheat, my actual oatmeal. Alright, so last but definitely not least, my peanut butter. Some nice good creamy peanut butter. And the reason why I like to eyeball it, because I you know, certain times I want like a peanut buttery taste, and other times I want like a banana-y type of taste. It's like 1 tablespoon. I'll do like another little tinge. So it depends on what I'm feeling for the day. Okay, come on. Just get up in there. All right. I don't want to use my fingers, but we're not going to let none of this go to waste. Alright, so now I'm going to put this in my NutriBullet Ninja. Or Ninja Bullet? Oh my gosh, hang on. Bam, there we go. This back in the fridge. Alright, let me kind of mix it together. All the oats are at the bottom. It looks like I might have to put some more milk. Let me see. Let me see. Oops, I gotta plug it in first, Dina. Let me plug it in. Man, I love this little tripod. I really do. Reverse it just a little bit. All right. Oops. Oh, don't fall. Please don't fall. All right, I like to do a little taste test. See the consistency. Oh yeah, this is nice and consistent. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Yeah, not too thick. Oops. Alright. Do a little taste test. Might have to add some sugar in it. Sometimes I add sugar, sometimes I don't. Depends what I'm doing. In this case, I don't need no damn sugar. Yes. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright, so this is my quick way of making like a peanut butter banana smoothie with some oats. It's great for like breakfast or meal replacement. It keeps you full for a long time. Alright, y'all have a good one. Bye.